What do you do for a living?
I have a yachting agency called Pool North. I help crew network, I train stews to become absolutely exceptional. And yeah, we help them with their travels to get them comfortable from out of South Africa to Europe or America, wherever they might find themselves going.
Where would you like to go in the YachtieWorld net?
The Mediterranean.
And thieves.
To the top.
Mediterranean and the Arctic. Fort Lauderdale.
Wherever it takes me.
Spain.
Asia. And Africa.
Monaco.
Antibes.
France.
Barcelona.
I am going to the Med.
America.
The Caribbean.
Wherever the world takes me.
Antibes.
Antibes.
Mediterranean.
France, Antibes.
Italy.
In Cape Town.
Gibraltar. After the Atlantic crossing.
Antibes.
Antibes. Caribbean.
Dubai.
Mediterranean.
I'm the next Aquaman.
I'm a retired yachtie.
Where was the first place you traveled in the YachtieWorld?
St. Martin. I used to work for the Somali pirates.
Oh, yes.
I was a chief hostage negotiator.
Where the industry's at. Cheers. Thanks for coming.